Here we're asked to find the unknown angle measures by solving for the given variables. So here it's asking us to find the measure of angle JMK. So from J to M to K, which it's saying is 7x plus 5. And also we're asked to find the measure of angle KML. So from K to M to L, which it says is equal to 28x. So what do you notice about the relationship between the red angle and the blue angle? Do you notice that they form a straight line? Straight lines have an angle of 180 degrees. So that means that the red angle plus the blue angle has to equal 180 degrees. That is, the red angle plus the blue angle equals 180 degrees. So this is the equation that we are going to solve to find x and ultimately find the measure of the red and blue angle. So the first step in solving an equation is to look on each side of the equal sign and see if there's any like terms that we can combine. And I notice I have a 7x and also a 28x. I can add these two together. 7 plus 28 is 35. So 7x plus 28x is 35x. And there aren't any other constants on the left side to combine with the 5, so I'm just going to leave that as plus 5 equals 180. So now I'm going to solve for x. The first step is to move what is added or subtracted to that variable to the other side. So I'm going to move that plus 5 to the right side by doing the opposite of adding, which is to subtract. So if I subtract that from both sides, I end up with 35x equals 175. Now x is being multiplied by 35, so I'm going to undo that multiplying by dividing. Because anything divided by itself is 1, so I'm left with 1x equals 5. So the answer for x, what x equals, is 5. But the question is not asking us what x equals, it's asking us what that red angle and the blue angle equal. So let's try to figure that out first by looking at the red angle. The red angle is 7x plus 5. But we just found out that x is equal to 5. So we can take that x out and instead substitute in a 5. So 7 times 5 plus 5. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 5 is 40. So this angle is equal to 40 degrees. Now let's do the same for the blue angle. The blue angle is 28x. But we just found out that x is 5, so it's 28 times 5. So let me put that in my calculator, and I see that this equals 140 degrees. So this blue angle is 140 degrees. And you can always check your answer because these are supplementary angles, so again, they need to add up to 180. And they do.